Good morning, happy Tuesday. Here we are outside the first TCHC soundproof unit in the whole city of Toronto. Why? Because I have lost hearing, number one. And for 2 years I have a big battle with the landlord, trying to convince that the sounds I'm hearing overnight are justifiable, proven that the resident is always awake during the night. These are new residents coming to live at 220 Oak, and many of them they have traumas, psychological issues, drug addictions, alcohol, etc., etc., etc. So, this is hopefully the end of my affliction, and I will be able to sleep at night 8 hours before these new residents arrive from the shelter and encampment clients of the Housing Secretariat and the Toronto Homeless Health Shelter and Support Services. Okay, we developed this housing mandate to bring in residents from the encampments, which is a great plan, but you should have done it through transitional housing, where they're able to deal with the issues, addiction, etc., etc., etc. So that didn't happen. Anyway, it's day 7, and hope to see some results. Check you guys later. Bye now.